I definitely have a vision. It has taken shape over the years with my work. It's like kind of building a world, but I never set out to accomplish anything in particular. It's more like just a feeling that I have that I want to create something. On Blade, now we're in Stockholm doing this Microsoft AI project.
I'm James Ferraro, a musician. I've always been drawn to the idea of virtual worlds, and I just think it's a good opportunity for us to build something like that. And us being musicians, it's cool to present our ideas in a more interactive way.
I was approached with this project. That's like the first time I was actually like thinking about it, like deep. And what if there's like a positive idea in the AI?
I'm definitely like an AI skeptic or something, but the chatbots are really like kind of the most interesting thing for me because it's able to take all this information and like, have it be like something that people can interact with.
So we kind of started talking, having like these ideas and like philosophy and stuff, go through the AI, kind of see what comes from that, talk to different beings in this labyrinth.
I think like the labyrinth idea just comes out of, being kind of metaphoric. All these chatbots that encapsulate like tons of human information would be sort of stored within these purgatorial kind of setting.
Kind of archetypal like characters and heroes and stuff like that.
We came up with this idea of the initial model being named Ezekiel. It was connected to this like William Blake poem, A Marriage of Heaven and Hell. The main model that we built using these Microsoft tools, we would take dialogue lines from that Ezekiel would spit out based on the initial training data, and then take those lines and then use that as training data for like the next model. And that would be like Entity 1, Entity 2, Entity 3. And we just have this kind of like evolving like data flow.
I feel like that's what we want to do with the technology too, is like make it kind of endless.
Kind of view it more as like an interactive poem or an immersive poem.
It's like a legend. It's like can take on endless forms, and
just the experience in and of itself being like the meaning or the message, and not necessarily having like an end goal, but like through the experience, like extracting some kind of meaning out of that.